Welcome to another episode of Youth Talks. If you are someone who is facing problems related to career, related to workplace, related to placement, then this is the channel for you. Follow our videos, watch our videos, and I'm sure we can help you solve most of your problems. YouTube has recently cracked down on AI generated content, mass produced content and repetitive content. So how do content creators go about generating these type of content regarding monetization?
Yes, Google has cracked down on AI generated content, or rather YouTube has cracked down on AI generated content, saying that they will not be monetized as per policy, and this is rightly so. This is to give due importance to original talent, because what is AI doing? AI is training on that data and AI is giving a average solution. If Google or other big companies don't encourage original talent, then it will be average case solution given by AI. AI never gives original unique or exceptional results. AI will give you a kind of a average case solution on the basis of training. So I think Google has done a great job trying to monetize original contributions. However, how will creators incorporate AI into their creations? And I think the best way is not to create just the AI video, but to fill in the gaps or create content working with AI. I have seen many creators who use their original footage or original commentary, and for unique exposures or unique content, they use AI. For example, if you want to you're talking about a historical content, you're making a historical content and you are giving the commentary, but you can't, you have to find footage and buy the footage to go back 300-500,000 years. But maybe that small snippet while you're commenting can be a kind of a AI generated snippet. So this kind of reference videos, I think, can be taken from AI, but those should be in a kind of a background where the original content creator is giving the commentary or at the foreground, so that it's not the algorithms, Google algorithms, don't see it as a AI generated content, but AI is part of the original content. So that is, I think, very important, and there is no match or no competition, or nothing beats originality, right? So I would definitely encourage all the original creators, artists, musicians to keep on creating their original stuff. But again, there is no escaping the fact that AI can help the original creators in some of the fillers, or getting some of the basic fundamental stuff done and build on top of the AI generated content.
Sure, sir. I am sure that this will help content creators worldwide.
Yeah, I'm sure. I think so. Good luck to all of you. Hi viewers, if you're liking our channel, don't forget to like and subscribe, because if you don't like and subscribe, you will, and if you like our channel, you will not get it. It's very easy to get lost amongst thousands and thousands of videos and thousands and thousands of content creators. So if you like our channel, it's full of advice, full of youth content, then you'll be able to get regular updates from the youth content queries that youth face. See you next time. Thanks for watching.